Marquis Business and Technology Solution presents MARS, a test automation solution optimized for Fusion Capital Summit. MARS is reusable. Once the test suite is built, it can be used for all subsequent Summit upgrade and service pack releases. MARS is repeatable. The test suite can be executed as many times as needed for each Summit release to ensure the quality and integrity of the release. Unlike other test automation frameworks, MARS does not require any programming. It is a scriptless solution with a broad set of ready-to-use test cases and robust set of keywords combined with the repository of screen objects. The end-user-friendly design allows for simple or complex test scenarios to be configured by QA personnel and business users alike to meet your ever-changing business needs. MARS offers a flexible solution to perform your workflow testing. It enables you to capture baseline data and compare various data formats. MARS is a scriptless solution used by business end users and QA staff alike to easily design automated test cases. MARS comes with hundreds of ready-to-use test templates for all trade types. You can use the test as is or customize them to meet your specific requirements. To simplify and reduce errors, MARS can automatically populate test cases with data from the Summit database. Simply specify an ID for an indicative trade and MARS will do the rest. Users can compile a list of test cases in a logical order to easily create storyboards to represent simple or complex business scenarios. The storyboard shows the pass-fail status of each test case together with any error messages captured from Summit. The bottom right-hand pane shows the results of the data captured and compared by the test case during execution. The MARS monitor on the left-hand side shows each test case and test set being executed. In this example, the first test case is to log into Summit, followed by a test case to input a swap trade. MARS works with all versions of Summit. It can process both your old version of Summit, the baseline, and the target version. When executing the target version, it compares to the baseline and reports changes in the workflow, as well as any data discrepancies. In this example, MARS is simulating the user by inputting values in text boxes and selecting options from drop-down boxes and menus. MARS can be configured to simulate business workflow within Summit and other applications within the enterprise, and as such can be used to conduct full system integration tests. MARS will automatically record any errors Summit may display. It will also capture and compare any values, including any derived or defaulted values in tables. The MARS Compare utility compares data from different sources and formats, including database tables, Excel, and XML. The user can configure the compare parameters and save it for later uses. The compare output is displayed in Excel. The rows with the differences are highlighted in red and the characters are displayed in red. For numbers and amounts, tolerances can be specified, which allow users to ignore differences which fall within the specified range. The report contains both detailed and summary views. Each project in MARS includes a dashboard where users can inspect the status of every test run, showing various details including the number of test cases passed and failed. MARS automatically generates reports showing test run statistics. The reports include the status of each test step together with any data or screenshots captured during the execution and the time it took each step to be executed. Reports can be customized to meet the user's specific needs and can also be used to meet regulatory and audit requirements. So why MARS? MARS is state-of-the-art proven technology. MARS is scriptless and easy to use. With Mars, you will see up to 60% reduction in test execution effort and time, along with a much wider test coverage. Mars is cost effective. You build once and you'll have test assets to use for all subsequent regression testing. It will improve your software quality, thereby reducing operational risk. Marquis Business and Technology Solutions offers subscription-based pricing for Mars, which will reduce your cost of ownership over time. We also offer testing as a service where we will execute your test cases for all your Summit software releases and investigate and report any defects identified within Summit. For a free proof of concept or live demo, please contact us at info@mbtsllc.com.